oil. Yeah, it's gonna hit the oil and it's gonna create bubbles. If that oil is cheap, you have a lot of bubbles. That's why you have to have the right oil and the right additives to prevent the foaming, to prevent the bubbles in the oil.
Is that the only way foaming take place?
Yeah, yeah, just
Just the crankshaft?
yeah, from the crankshaft. Problem with the sludge, what's the problem with the sludge? The sludge can go to the strainer. Here's the strainer, and can do what? Can clog the strainer. So now if you clog the strainer with sludge, what's gonna happen to the oil pressure?
Gonna go down.
It's gonna go down. Now, some parts in the engine will suffer because the oil doesn't reach those areas.
Typically, the only way to get to the oil strainer is by taking the.
You have to take the you have to take the oil pan off. You have to take the strainer, clean it up. And I've seen some people using additives to melt the sludge, and you make it worse because the stuff is gonna go and you're gonna melt the sludge and it's gonna go and clog the strainer. So the right way is to take the whole thing apart and clean it and then put it back. Once you have sign of foaming, sign of sludge in the engine, you have to take it apart and clean up the strainer.
To access the under, you don't need to go from the top down. You could just access the under. You could go from top down or
It
bottom.
depends on the bike. Some easy you can drop the pan, and some you have to take the engine. So it
Oh,
depends
really?
on, yeah.
But is there like a more of a traditional comment if you need to access the oil?
It depends on it's just horizontal.
Far as you can, right? You could take the oil pan out.
If you have the pan, it's easy. But if you don't have a pan and you have the whole thing in one housing, you have to take the whole engine apart.
Just one more question. Out of any aspect when you overhaul the engine, obviously you first need to drain the oil out, whatever is there. Do you have to prime it before you place it back, or do you just put it into the oil hole
You have
and then
to-
it will just do itself?
You have to prime it to be sure some oil is already in the system before you crank the engine.
Okay.
You have to prime it.
So prime the part and then replace the oil that fell out.
Question. How do you know, what's the indication that there's sludge?
So how do you know you have a sludge? Anybody?
Take out the spark plug.
How do you know you have a sludge in the engine? How you know you have sludge in the engine? When you drain the oil. When you drain the oil, you see pieces. Some people drain the oil, they don't pay attention to the oil itself. So again, sludge will form because you don't do oil change on time. So if somebody hasn't done oil change on time, drain the oil and look at the pieces like this one. Now you know that you have sludge in the engine. You take the valve cover, you can see these pieces right here. You take the valve. So once you see any symptom of sludge, you gotta take the valve cover. Here, that's the valve cover.
Is it because it hasn't been driven in a long time? or-
No, it's just lack of oil changes. The guy didn't do oil change on time. Plus using cheap oil.
So what actually makes it gunk together? Is it like the water inside all evaporates?
Yeah, there's a chemical reaction.
With the heat?
The heat that's gonna change that.
Physical properties.
Yeah, change the oil to different material.